Overview of data analytics with Python. Data analytics is the process of analyzing data to extract insights and information that can be used to make informed decisions. Python is a popular programming language for data analytics due to its simplicity, flexibility, and powerful data analysis libraries. Python's popularity in the data analytics field has grown rapidly in recent years, making it a top choice for data professionals and businesses. Why Python is popular for data analytics? Python is popular for data analytics for several reasons, including 1. Easy to learn and use. Python has a simple and intuitive syntax that makes it easy to learn and use for beginners. 2. Large community and ecosystem. Python has a large and active community of developers, which means there are many resources, libraries, and tools available for data analytics. 3. Powerful data analysis libraries. Python has powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn that provide tools for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. 4. Open source and free. Python is an open source and free programming language, which makes it accessible and affordable to everyone. Tools and libraries used in data analytics with Python. Python has many tools and libraries that are commonly used in data analytics, including Pandas, a library for data manipulation and analysis that provides tools for loading, cleaning, transforming, and exploring data. NumPy, a library for scientific computing that provides tools for working with large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices. Matplotlib, a library for data visualization that provides tools for creating charts, graphs, and plots. Scikit-learn, a library for machine learning that provides tools for building and evaluating predictive models. Jupyter Notebook, an interactive web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Anaconda, a distribution of Python and its associated libraries that provides a streamlined environment for data analysis and scientific computing. These are just a few examples of the many tools and libraries available for data analytics with Python. Depending on the specific needs of your project, there may be other libraries that are more appropriate. Subscribe for more videos.